Will you please tell us when and how and why you started seeing optimal spine?
My son, I'm 82, and my son said, "Dad, you're walking around like an old man." And I thought, oh my God, And then when I had a look at my posture, I could see it. So I wasn't experiencing any pain, but I knew that what I wanted was pain-free movement because as you get older, sort of bits start dropping off. And of course, as a young man, nobody ever tells you this. It's only when you get to be my age that you think, oh my God, I should have done this and I should have done that. So I thought, I've got to get sorted out. And my son knew of Michael's clinic, so I came here and it was a revelation. And, I've got a terrific posture, terrific health. I'm living life to the full. And of course, I'm coming here as much as possible.
Tell me about what do you do at home? What has changed at home? You attended the posture workshop. What have you changed at home?
What's interesting is I've got some little cards, post-it notes, all around the house, which say, do a certain exercise, which I do, an hour every day. And that keeps my posture where I want it to be.
This is where the interaction between the actual treatment, the exercises, and change of habits is crucial. When the patient, like this gentleman, takes on board the message completely and start introducing exercises and different habits at home, we get longevity in the treatment process, which means that it's not just free of pain for now, but a complete lifestyle change to a more physical well-being. And as you mentioned, freedom of movement without pain. Good. Let's get you adjusted.
Okay.
Take a big breath in and out.
Oh.
Turn to your back, please.
Hang on.
Go really floppy for me. Are you okay there?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. And deep in your neck there. Well done. Lie on this side and face me over here, please. Is that me? Yeah. At least you have a knee. Go really floppy for me there. Smile. Good. And the other way. Good. Over to the other side, please. Straighten that one out. Good. And relax. Good. Sit up, please, and face the window. Where's the pain felt in that knee right now? Still the same place?
Yes, it's only a little, but it was in bed this morning. It's really
Move back.
straight.
Is it getting less overall? Or is it the same amount of pain?
I think it's the same.
Yeah.
I think I need knees.
I don't think so. And relax. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Good. Let's go upstairs. So, this gentleman, who's doing everything he can to defy gravity and his age, is having traction to improve his posture. His son sent him into us because he could see his dad was starting to collapse and walking like an old man. So we will now see how we restore the cervical lordosis even in a gentleman of mature age. And it's possible to change the posture of somebody of this age. Most people think, oh, I get to a certain age and that's me. That's not true. If you're prepared to put an effort in, you can actually make postural changes in your entire life. But it takes an attitude change. So here we are seeing what is called a UTS machine, chiropractic biophysics, used to change a cervical posture. So what we're starting off with is stabilizing the patient. At the same time, we're putting a support into the thoracic spine to help reduce that increased thoracic curve. We're putting a harness around the head. We're seeing that in a second, to pull the head and the neck backwards to reduce the forward head carriage. And then a load will go through the middle part of the neck to help increase that curvature. In addition to that, the gentleman has got home exercises to do that he's doing daily to take the process forward all the time. So it's not a question about coming to the clinic, have adjustment, having traction, but the home part is crucial. And that's what we teach at the posture workshop. And each patient get an individual exercise regime to do at home that gradually get intensified depending on their ability. So you're seeing here, we are loading the neck with weights. And this gentleman is doing 13 minutes of traction and has done that for a while. So gradually, force over time is changing the posture. And by changing the posture, you allow the nerve system a bigger opportunity to send the correct nerve signals. So when a patient starts a postural correction regime, we work in sections of either 4 or 6 weeks. After the 4 or 6 weeks, we do a re-examination where we take new postural photographs. So at the initial consultation, postural photographs are taken. After 4 or 6 weeks, depending on the intensity of the care, we do a re-examination so that we see that we are getting the improvement that we are after, but also to make sure that the patient's compliance at home is as expected. Because if the home exercises are not done, then it will take much longer to improve. So this is a 50-50 setup between us in the clinic, the practitioner, the support staff, the clinical assistants, and the patient. So the first re-examination takes place after 4 to 6 weeks, where we evaluate the improvement. If the improvement is as expected, a new treatment plan is suggested. But if the patient is not doing their bit at home, then we say to them, listen, you're much better, but we won't get you to where you want to be without your commitment in the process.